are prepared to break the silence, I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lion. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up.
Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. This is your first time of visiting my channel. Try your best to subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a new content. Try to like, comment and share so that YouTube will push us to a high level of audience. In today's video, we shall discuss zero risk $10 to $5,000 profit per week. Boomcrash Indices trading made easy using maths. Okay, early 14th July 2021, I released a content entitled Mathematical Strategy to Cashing Spike Price 100% Spike Price Detector, $100 to $5,000 plus profit per day. When I released this content, the intention of releasing this content was actually to give people access to this content. Premium mathematical strategy to catching Boomcrash Indices spike price 100% spike dictator system. What you notice here is that we have two videos and it is locked. It is premium. One video is 35 minutes long and the other one is 52 minutes long. It might take you a day or 2 days to watch the video in order to you have to, if you buy this course, you'll have to spend time, let's say 2 to 5 days to watch it, because you need to watch it over and over to actually know the terms and conditions of using it, because you have to follow the instruction for this to help you to catch the spike. So I was actually trying to get people to have access to this content. You see, it's locked. Any of the content that is locked, you see the playlist is locked, this is locked, this is locked. Any content that is locked in my channel is premium. So if you want to have access to this, to stop losing your money trading Boomcrash, if you want to have access to this, just chat me on Telegram and I will send you the payment details. This course actually cost, like, it was priced at $100 earlier time of release, but this time around it is still revolving around $200, but like based on demand, it might go to $300, because if you see how Boomcrash is making people blow their account, like, I'm not going to lie to you, I'm going to tell you the truth. You see, Boomcrash, I'm not going to lie to you, Boomcrash is one of the causes, like, is the major cause of losses or people blowing their accounts on the synthetic market. It contributes about 80% of the overall losses. Number one is it is very addictive. Number two is that they make it to have the big maximum loss size, making you to be tempted to use such big loss size, and the spikes are not predictable, and the spikes makes you to having issues with trading. If it goes in one direction, then everything will be easy, but market can go in one direction. The spikes are very dangerous, and the aim of this course, premium mathematical strategy course, is to open your third eye so that you know when the spike will happen. Okay, you need to, it's not this your physical eye, your third eye, your pinal connected eye, you need to be awakened so that you know when this thing will happen. So I have inside the videos, you see the mathematical formulas, the equations that are solved, and you have to apply them carefully, and you will never lose on Boomcrash again. I'm not going to lie to you. If you check the losses that people have, over millions of traders on the synthetic market, The losses they have is being caused by boom and crash. I know after boom and crash, as number one cause, as the major cause, as the topmost cause of losses in the market, the next one is volatility 100 index, followed by step index, and then V75 index. Also, another one that is trying to compete with boom and crash is break range index. Very dangerous asset. Very dangerous asset. Is one of those assets that can wipe accounts, depending on your loss sizing behavior. But boom and crash still remain the highest because it's very addictive. It promises you that you are going to be rich, yet the more you look, the less you see. So what you need to do right now is to save your life, is to re-energize yourself. Try to buy this course. This is the only paracetamol, this is the only pill, this is the only drug you have to take right now for you to be rich trading boom and crash. Because I know about 90% synthetic traders are addicted to boom and crash. I see a lot of traders from Pakistan, from India, and other parts of Asian countries that they will come to my DM and say they blow account, but they know that I will help them. And all of them that are testifying, many of them bought this course and they are just sending me small money on monthly basis. Like, they just like to show appreciation because it's working perfectly. If somebody will be asking, then if it is working, why am I selling it? Okay, let me tell you the truth. I'm not selling it because I hate you. I'm selling it because I am every day. I will be in my dream. I will see God will be punishing me. Telling me, Daniel. So you are happy to see people lose their money. Why not release the content? I will feel like I'm going to do this. So it's not. I don't need. It's not your money. Just you are paying a price. It's not that I want to, get your money. No. You are paying a price, because if I give it for free, it will be foolishness. No business go on a break or discontinuity. It must flow on a cash flow. Are you getting it? If you doubt me, go and email Microsoft to give you free license on any Windows product, or even Windows application themselves, like Windows versions. Windows 10, Windows 8, just email them. They will never respond to you. They will block you. They might even prevent you from having access to Windows product forever. So you have to understand what life is and how money works. Some companies are accepting money from you not because they are poor. No company can decide to give free product to people without collecting money. But let me tell you the truth. I don't want to go deep, but no business will run on a free mode. Even Facebook we are using, we are buying data. If you want to run it on a free mode, they are going to restrict you from having access to major things. You will not see videos, you will not see photos, you only see tests. I don't want to go deep, but I just want to help you. Simple. So start changing your life right now. Okay? Bye for now.
If you're prepared to break the silence.